Right, what are two things that can absolutely kill your engine? Water ingress in the fuel system, oil recirculation. That's detrimental to a diesel. It's called an EGR. People have the EGR blocks, etc. But a really awesome solution is to use a catch can. Now, a lot of catch cans vent to atmosphere, which are illegal, and other ones, they kind of just push it back into your engine. They don't necessarily filter out the oil that comes back. So what Ryco have done has put together a kit that can combat these two common issues in modern diesels. Now, they come vehicle specific, so they have all the bracketry ready to hook this straight into your engine base. You don't have to bug around fabricating stuff, etc. Now, as I mentioned earlier, one cool thing about these catch cans, it's not really a catch can, they call it a crankcase filter assembly because it does exactly that. It actually filters the air going back into your engine. So you stay on the right side of the law, so you're not venting the atmosphere, but also the recirculation of the oil and the air going back into your air crankcase intake is gonna have no oil in it because of that filter. And what's really awesome about this kit, it comes with a full instruction manual, which I must say is pretty damn accurate. They've actually got 3D models of a lot of these engine bays, so you know exactly where they get installed. In the kit as well, you get a nice little, beautifully laid out assembly of where all the fittings, hoses, and all that stuff goes for the catch can, and then one for the fuel water separator, which we'll get onto next. Now, diesel engines, the injectors hate water. You get water in your fuel system, it's gonna destroy your engine. Now, a lot of fuel stations around the country, especially if you're going remote, can have that possibility of that contamination. So if you're putting a catch can in, you might as well chuck in one of these as well. So this will actually filter out the water from your fuel system. It's got a nice clear bowl at the bottom, so you can actually see if it starts filling up with water, and you can see what you have just saved from going through your motor. Am I getting a phone call? Hello, hang on a second. Oh, sorry about that. Where was I? Talking turbos, you know. They're very important for one of the projects coming up. So it really is an all-in-one kit when you want to put it in your vehicle. They do all modern four-wheel drive, so it will come with that catch can, it will come with that water to fuel separator, all in a kit with the bracketry to bolt straight in, so you can do it yourself. Cheap insurance to make sure your engine isn't going to suck that water in and that oil when you're doing this kind of stuff. I mean, an FTE motor that's going in that cruiser ain't cheap. And thanks again, guys, for sticking around for this week's tech tip. And remember to support the businesses that support Built Not Bought. Now back to the episode.